Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2013 Suzuki SX4. All of the headlights are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing. You may need to remove a second bulb assembly before you can access the intended bulb, but no tools nor parts removals will be required to do so. The battery is located in the driver's side of the engine bay, with non-remote terminals and a bracket that lies right on top. Jump-starting or replacing the battery will be a hassle-free procedure. The engine air filter is also in the driver's side of the engine bay. The fasteners that secure the air filter housing disengage without the use of tools, allowing you to quickly lift the cover and remove the filter. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will need tools and a bit of force to remove the bulb housing for access to any of the taillights. This could make for lengthier bulb replacements. The transmission fluid dipstick is positioned rather low in the front of the engine bay. You won't have to make too long of a reach for the dipstick, but you will have to unlock it and pull it past other engine components when removing it. You will have to make a long and tight reach around the lower panel for access to the petcock. This could make for a more tedious coolant flush. Overall, the 2013 Suzuki SX4 is a very easy car to maintain, and would be a good choice for the new and/or inexperienced vehicle owner.